Hello everybody, this is John with Modern Exterior. I'm here in Fox Point, Wisconsin, taking in this beautiful view of Lake Michigan. But that is not the only reason I'm here. I'm also taking a look at the Cedar shake siding on this 100-year-old home. So looking at the Cedar shake siding, you can see this was installed too close to the roof itself. And because of that and the capillary properties of wood, water actually sucks up, causing the shingles that are installed close to the siding to soak up that water and begin to rot. You can see a pretty good line here of where that wood soaked up that water. On top of that, it looks like over here we had a bit of a pest problem of some kind, or a missing shingle or something of that sort that is drilled in there. But obviously we don't want holes going into the attic space, so that is also something that would need to be resolved here. We can look at trimming the wood back to ensure that water doesn't get soaked in, but in cases like this where there's so much damage across the entire siding, it might make more sense to just do a full replacement in this case.